Here is an original shell from Tomy, belongs to Oliver, and we are making some custom models, but let me show you something. Right here we have 5 shells. I bought 5 shells. July 2023 is almost 3 years ago. 5 years ago, I created resin casted Oliver. Not good. Obviously, I had no experience with the resin casting models, but that's okay when you're learning. Face looks okay, and I stopped it with that. The problem is the amount of rate fail with resin cast is not good, but thanks God we have now uh, resin printers. We are doing something different, and that's really cool. But I'm gonna try to find those shells, so I'm gonna put them for sale. Obviously, they are not complete. It's just the top. I think there are 4 tops and 2 bottoms. But it's way too cold to go get them to from the garage. I can't go into the garage. It's freezing cold. So I'm gonna give you an update as soon as I found them or the temperature. Um, it's a little bit better. It's cold. It's not that bad of a snow, but it's really cold. But like I say, I'm gonna try to make some posts as soon as I found them, and I'll let you know.